Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Payday 2 game not launching, won't start, unable to launch, not opening error on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method, what you need to do is to check the system requirements of the game. So go to Steam and after that search for the game, then go below. From here, you will find the system requirements to play the game. Make sure your PC have all the required specs. Here are mentioned minimum as well as recommended. So make sure your PC have all the requirements, and after that try to launch the game and check if it's working now. If not, next method is to modify launch options. So for that, go to the game, go to Steam. Now under library section, select your game. Here I am showing an example. Now right click on it, click on properties. Now under general, here you have to type -dx11 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working. If the error still occurs, again come back, type -dx12 and then launch the game and check whether it's working or not. If the issue still occurs, again come back, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam again, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will take some time. Once the game files are verified, now try to play the game and check. If not, next is to run game from the installation folder. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on browse local files. So this will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Here you have to select the game and double click on it and check if the game is opening or not. If not, then you should run the game as administrator. So for that, right click on it, on the game application. Now click on properties. Now click on compatibility, and here you have to select run this program as an administrator, hit on apply and OK, and then launch the game and check if it's working. If not, again come back, select this, run this program in compatibility mode for, select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK, and then launch the game and check. If not, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, hit on apply and OK, and then launch the game and check if it's working now. If the issue still occurs, come back, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK, and then move to the next method. Well, the next method is to disable all mods. So if there are mods enabled, then you are suggested to disable them. It's suggested to remove all kind of mods, as they can be the reason for crashing problem. If not, next method is to update your graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for device manager. Here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. Now once the graphics drivers are updated, try to launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already provided in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next method is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to the Windows search over here. Now search for Windows security. Here you have to click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall. Now click on change settings, and after that, here you have to search for the game if it's listed. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse. Now go to the game folder where your game has been installed, select the game application, add it to the list over here. Now after adding it, select the game, make sure both public and private boxes are ticked, and then click on OK. After that, launch the game and check now. If not, next method is to enable or disable use HQ weapons. So it's a setting that has detailed textures for gamers. If this is disabled, then game can crash, or if it is enabled also, and if your PC is unable to handle, then also it can crash. So here you can follow the steps to disable or enable it. For that, first you have to launch the Payday 2 game and then go to the settings. Then here you have to check use HQ weapons settings to enable or uncheck it to disable it. And once done, finally restart your PC and then try to play the game and check whether it's working. If not, next method is to check graphic settings of the game. So when your graphic settings are not properly set up, like texture quality, resolution, anti-aliasing, etc., then it directly impacts the game. And this is where the game can crash or suffer from other issues. So make sure to set up the settings properly or even lower the graphic settings to avoid any kind of unwanted issue. Next method is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam, click on Steam, click on settings, go below, click on in-game, and here you will find enable the Steam overlay while in game option. If it is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Now once it is disabled, now try to launch the game and check if it's working or not. Same for GeForce Experience users. Open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general, and switch off in-game overlay options from here. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab, and switch off enable in-game overlay options from here. Next solution is to remove render minus settings folder. So what you need to do is you just have to press Windows plus R and have to type %app data %. So press on the open. Now this will open the roaming folder. So after roaming folder, you have to click on the app data and then open local folder, and here you will have to search for the Payday 2 folder and open it. After that, cut and paste render minus settings folder and paste it in your desktop, and after that launch the game and then check if the game is launching or not. If not, next method is to disable third-party overlay applications. So if there is any third-party overlay applications enabled like Nvidia Shadow Play or MS Afterburner, then you should disable it. This can lead to unexpected issue while playing the game. Next solution is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. Now this will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates option and it will check if there is any update available. If yes, you have to update your Windows to the latest version, and after updating, now try to play the game and check. If not, next method is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, I have already provided this link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser, or even you can search for Visual C++ files on Google. Now once the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download Visual C++ files. Once it is downloaded, you have to open it and you will get repair or install option. Whatever you get, click on it and you have to wait for some time unless it shows setup successful. Now to close this. After that, restart your PC once. Once your PC restart, log into the game and check if you can play. If not, next method is to perform a clean boot. So for that, you have to press Windows plus R and have to type msconfig. Press OK. This will open system configuration folder. Here you have to click on services tab. Go below, click on hide all Microsoft services and then click on disable all. After doing this, go to the startup tab, click on open task manager. From here also you have to select the application and then click on disable. After doing all the methods, go back and then click on OK, and after that restart your PC once and then try to launch the game and check if it's working now. If not, next method is to run game on dedicated graphics card. For that, go to the Windows search over here. Now search for graphics settings. After that, here you have to add your game to the list. If you cannot find the game, click on add a desktop app and then go to the game folder, select the game application and add it to the list over here. Now after adding it, you have to search for the game, click on the arrow icon and under GPU preference you have to select high performance. After selecting high performance, now try to launch the game and check if you can play it. If not, then the final method is to reinstall Payday 2 game. For that, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on uninstall and finally click on uninstall option. So this will completely remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your system once, and once your PC restarts, launch Steam and again reinstall Payday 2 game, and after it is installed, click on the play button to check whether you can play it or not.